Hey everyone, Lewis Bissell here for my vlog series of my new hair system. So as you can see, I've gone for a new style again, very similar to the original which I originally had before. Obviously before this, again, I had sort of mod sort of shortcut, which is completely different to this, and it just gives a different aspect in terms of exposure, in terms of the hairline. Now, a lot of people are asking the question, how do I get a volume in my hair? The best way to get volume in the hair is simply, when you're blow drying the hair, run a certain amount of basically the leave-in conditioner in the hair, spray that through, and then basically just run your fingers through it and brush it. I basically hold the front of the actual hairline and brush back, just to basically get the hair in the right direction where you're going to blow. Then I basically hang my head upside down and rough blow dry the actual system itself, just to basically give the hair as big body as it possibly can get. Simply then get the product and put it between your hands and just smooth it back like that. And then I've got a hairspray which I recommend is the best hairspray. It's in a white can, it's from Tresemme, and it's their super firm hold. And I just simply, from a good strong distance, spray that on with a mist, and it basically just sets the hair with a good body.